Sino? Okay. First game between the West Cardinals and Trinity and Sim Force. Jay Calamyong. Luis Santos to Calamyong. Calamyong, number 23. No good. And then si Rosario. Number 27. No good. De La Cruz. Follow up. First point on Bautista, number 20. Santos to Jay Calamyong. Jay Calamyong, 14. No good. Nandun si Rosario. Mamadali ang Infinity. Back to back. Patakbo si Calamyong, number 23. Pinasa ng Jay Calamyong. Wala. There's a foul, number 23. First foul, number 23. First team foul. Rosario in the middle. Loader in the air by Rosario. Santos. 10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 2 points on number 23. Or 10 seconds, second. 10 to shoot. Hello. Second team foul. Second foul on the captain ball. Calamyong, number 23. 6 to score. Wala mo ng charity para kay Rosario. For the second display charity. Pinasa kay Jay Calamyong. Number 23. Wala. Number 22, De La Cruz on Infinity. De La Cruz, short. Rebound, Jay Calamyong. Turalios, nandun na si number 23. 6-4. 7-4. Rather. Bautista, number 28 to number 27. For 3, short. Turalios. 3 on 2. Orate. Substitution. 7 all tayo, 7 all. 3 points yung unang shoot niya. Alam yung number 23. Deadlock, first deadlock. Ralios. Nandun si Bautista. Siya pa rin napunta ng bola, number 20, Baut. To number 8, Rosario. To Bautista. Short. Nandun si Jay Calamyong. Patakbo ang Cardinals.
What a nice guy dyan.
Number first foul. Bobby. Lopez free throw on number 23, captain of West Cardinals. A 3-point play. Number 14 to na Bautista, number 28, short. De La Cruz, rebound. Nandun si Ralion. Santos.
Nice shots.
Seven, lamang na po ang first ng tatlo. Bautista, number 28, binigyan ng screen. So, Fabia, number 1. Ralios, tumatakbo na naman ang West Cardinals. Jay Calamyong, traveling. Rosario. Mamadali si Rosario. Pinilit. Black. Orate. Nandun na naman. Matakbo. 2-1-1. Santos. Malanaw. Calamyong. Pado. 12-7. Rosario. To Fabia. 4-3. Black. Jay Calamyong. Nasa kay Santos, number 3. Short. Rebound, Bautista. Mamadali din ang Infinity on the center. Foul on Santos. First foul on Santos, number 13. 13 foul. Wala pa rin. Nice box out. Nakuha ni Bautista. There's a foul and 1. Foul on number 1. Jay Calamyong, first foul. 14 foul. One was shot on Bautista, number 28. 12-9. Hindi pa rin nagta-timeout on both teams. Short. Nakuha na naman. Bautista again. No good. Short is too short. Bautista. Jay Calamyong. Orate. Ay, wala na siyang pihit. Matagpo ang Infinity. Ralios yung bola. Wala. De La Cruz on the center. Pinaza. Number 28 again. Isa, Kalamangan. 12-11. Umabal mo ang Infinity and Silvors. Calamyong, nice pass to Orate. There's a foul. 28, Bautista.